In this help video, I'd like to show an easy way to roll forward your contract months. You can see here I have some USE minis on the December contract, and the time now is to roll forward to the March contract. You can also see that I have a scanner here with some December contracts in as well. So I just want to show you the easiest and quickest way to do this in MTPredictor 8. First, let's just delete the old chart. So I'll just go to the cross there and just remove that chart. Go to the cross there, remove that chart, make sure the chart's selected, do the cross there, remove that chart. I'd then like to go over to the scanner, and I'll actually delete the scanner as well. So I'll just, whoops, missed that, go to the cross there in the scanner, can you see? And I'll close that scanner. Right, the easiest way to then do this is to go to our symbol manager. So if I go Tools, Symbol Manager. Now remember, we have symbol lists, and this is an easy way to add symbols into a scanner then onto your chart. So if I go to a symbol list I had here created, which was I called it day session, you can see here's the symbols I had in there for the old December contract month. So I'm just going to remove these by highlighting them, then doing the arrow there. You can see that removes that one. Highlight it, remove it, highlight it, remove it. So now I'm going to add the new symbols back into this same symbol list, or you could create another. Different ways you can do this. You can either search for the symbol separately by doing ES, then search, and you can see here we have our ES for our 24-hour session, or our ES.D for our E-mini day session only. So I'm going to do the .D one. I'm now going to change the month. You can see it was on the December 2018, so now I'm going to go out to March 2019, as that's the next one, and then do the left arrow to add that to the symbol list. What you can do as well is, if you're just searching for the day session ones, you can do star.d as well in there rather than searching for the individual symbol. If I do that, you can see there's the ones there all together. So now I'm just going to add the NQ on. So that's the NQ.D because I'm just doing the day session one. It still is on the March and 2019, so I'm going to add that in, and then I'm going to come down here to the last one, which is the YM I'm going to add in. So I select that one. You can see it's selected. It still has the month I want, which is March 2019, and then add that to the symbol list. So you can see what I've done is I've basically recreated a symbol list with the new contracts I wish to use. I now do OK to close that. So what's the best way to get this the charts back up and running? Well, you can either open the new charts individually by going to the new chart icon at the top there and then adding them individually, or what I tend to do is I tend to go to a scanner first, just very quick and easy. So I'll open up a new scanner by doing, oops, that's the wrong one. I want to do a scanner, which is that one. It doesn't matter what you call it. I might call it day session. Doesn't really matter. Do OK. There's the scanner. I'm just going to grab it and drag it across. Now here I'm going to put in the symbol list. This is why I created the symbol list first. It makes it dead easy. So I'm going to come down and select my symbol list that I created. Day session. I'm going to add in the different periods I want. I'm going to start with the 2-minute charts. Download. And you can see it puts all those in for you quickly and easily. Then going to go to the 3-minute. Download. You see how easy and quick this is. Then go to the 5-minute. Download. You basically put the time frames in you wish, and then lastly the ones I like to follow as well are the 15-minute, and then download, and that then puts them in there quite nicely. Now to draw the chart is very easy indeed, because now I'm going to add in the 3-minute charts on the left hand side here. So all I'm going to do is basically just highlight that row there. Can you see it's highlighted? Right mouse click, do new chart, and there it is. Highlight the NQ, right mouse click, do new chart. Highlight the YM, right mouse click, do new chart. And there they are. Just going to change the scanner so it goes back into sort of the hiding mode by going up into that drawing pin, click that, and you can see it's hidden back to the left hand side. And there you are, there's your new charts. One thing I do is right mouse click and add the show the session breaks so you can see the start of the day as well. So that's an easy way to then get these charts back again. I might drag them back to the way I had them before by dragging them across there. Whoops, that one needs to go. Oh dear, missed that one. But you can see you can drag them across. Whoops, my mouse is a little bit odd there. I might do that a bit later time. But you can drag them across and have them orientated in the way you wish. There we go. That's a better way to do it. Oops, I keep dragging that off the chart there. Sorry about that, my mouse is not doing very well. I can't drag straight. There it is, dragged there. So there we are, back to as it was to start with our March 2019 contracts there. Of course, the next one I need to do are, I've got some 24-hour charts there on that one there. So I'll have to do exactly the same as I did before. Well, I'll just delete that chart and I'll go back into Tools, Symbol Manager, find that symbol list I had. I had another symbol list for our 24-hour sessions. You can see how it's easy when you have symbol lists used for these markets. As before, I'll just take those ones out. I'll do it a little bit quicker this time. Take those out. Now I'll go and find those ones again. This time I'm going to search for them individually. There's the ES. Still at March and 2019. That's the month and year I wish. This time I want 24-hour session, so I'll put that back in. NQ, search. There it is. You can see I can do it a little bit quicker this time. And YM, search. And there it is, back in the quicker there as well. So therefore I've updated my 24-hour session symbol list with the latest contracts. Do OK. So this time now when I create a new chart, I'm just going to create a new chart because I only want one of them for the YM. And there it is, 24-hour chart. Now when I change that, because I've updated my symbol list, if I click on here, then come down to the 24-hour symbol list I have, you can see here these are all updated as well. That's why I create symbol lists, because not only can you use them in the scanner, but you can also use them from this drop down here as well. So it's very handy. There's my symbol list. Here's the different markets. So now when I change to the ES, there it is, changed there as well. So that's the quickest and easiest way to basically roll over your contracts to the new contract months by basically deleting your old charts, deleting any scanners you have. It's important to delete the scanners totally by closing them of any old contract months, and then going to your symbol manager and then updating your symbol list if you have them, or if you don't have them, I do suggest creating them, taking out the old symbols, adding in the new symbols. Once you've done that, you can then use your new symbol list either in the scanner. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. My mouse is definitely not working very well here. Either the new symbol lists as we have there, and you can add them in really quickly and easily, or once you've got a chart drawn, you can then change it from there as well. So a quick and easy way to basically roll forward your old contract months to your new contract months in MTPredictor 8.